China has staged a chilling island invasion exercise aimed to simulate an all-out clash with Taiwan. Saturday saw China's simulated attack use drones, special forces and airborne troops in a staged exercise to prepare for an invasion of Taiwan. The horrific drills were reported by Chinese state broadcaster CCTV and marked the first time in recent years a state media outlet told all about preparations to attack the country. It marks the latest act of aggression from Beijing in the South China Sea, and follows increased naval presence from China in the dispute waters. The simulated attack took place on Taiwan's National Day, with the drills beginning at night. CCTV's report detailed how Chinese forces moved in from multiple locations to demonstrate their preparedness for an invasion. The report added, "The exercise, with the effective integration of multiple new combat forces, increased the actual combat capability of the troops in joint landing and three-dimensional assault." Beijing has ramped up its military drills as it views Taiwan as part of mainland China, and want to reunite the countries by any means. As China carried out the drills, Taiwan's President Tsai Ing-wen urged Beijing for meaningful dialogue. Speaking at National Day celebrations, she decried the quite tense Taiwan Strait stalemate, and urged Beijing to find a peaceful resolution. She said, "As long as the Beijing authorities are willing to resolve antagonisms and improve cross-strait relations, while parity and dignity are maintained, we are willing to work together to facilitate meaningful dialogue." Previous reports from Taiwan detailed the huge pressure Chinese Air Force drills over the strait put on the country's finances, with Taiwan spending $1.3 billion to scramble its own fighter jets against the incursions. Beijing has hit back at Ms. Tsai's calls for peace talks, and claimed Taiwan is resisting the inevitable. In a chilling warning to the island nation, Zhu Fenglian, spokesperson at the Taiwan Affairs Office in Beijing, told Taipei its confrontational thinking and hostility towards China has stopped dialogue. He then added, "Taiwan independence is a dead end, while confrontation will lead to nowhere." China cut off formal independence talks with Taiwan after Ms. Tsai took office in 2016, and has slowly ramped up military pressure on the country since then. Taiwan also reported on Sunday Chinese fighters entered restricted airspace again. The incursion marks the 17th time China has sent military aircraft over Taiwan since September 16. Taiwan's defense minister said the country had spent more than 8% of its military budget for the year on dealing with Chinese flyovers. Su Su-yun, analyst at the Institute for National Defense and Security Research, told Business Insider the repeated flyovers were a kind of attrition and psychological war tactic to exhaust Taiwan's forces and reduce the public's alertness against a possible Chinese attack. The Taiwan drills mark the latest Chinese military display in the South China Sea, with the U.S. beginning to intervene. On Sunday, Beijing scrambled ships and jets to track down the U.S. missile destroyer John S. McCain as it passed by Chinese-held islands in the disputed waters. Colonel Zhang Nandong, spokesperson for the PLA's Southern Theater Command, was enraged at the U.S. blatant navigation hegemony and military provocation that seriously violated China's sovereignty and security interests, and gravely jeopardized peace and stability in the South China Sea. He added, "We urge the U.S. side to immediately stop such kind of provocative actions, strictly manage and control its maritime and air military operations so as not to cause any eventuality."